Hey guys, Darren here. Welcome to Mayhem Country Living. I'll show you what we're working on tonight. We are filling up the hydroponics tanks, and I had initially started carrying buckets of water down, and I thought, holy cow, I'm going to end up using 50 gallons of water. And I thought, why don't I just do it this way, which is so much better for me. And I had been talking to some people through email on and off today who have their heads to the ground as to what's going on. And I'm reminded of a story of a friend of mine, a very good friend of mine. He was known very well for two things. The first thing is he was heir to the Pennzoil fortune. Pennzoil oil. He was one of the sons, and their last name isn't Pennzoil, by the way. And he was also known for the fact that he had been struck by freaking lightning 8 times. When he and I were friends. Now, we would be sitting out somewhere having a beer and burger, tacos, or whatever it is, and he and his wife, and me and my wife and I, rather, he would just kind of perk up and he would say, I have to go inside. And I would say, dude, what's wrong with you? He said, there's a storm coming. And I swear to God, I saw lightning follow that man inside and hit him. So, I mean, it was like number 9. He didn't like it. It annoyed him. Well, it was. But he would always say, Darren, there's a storm coming. I can respect that. I can understand that. Something's about to happen. You don't want to be around it. When it happens, you need to get out of the way. Step sideways. I have talked to many people who are smarter than myself. People from many different walks of life. Everyone from Jews to Muslims to Sikhs to Wiccans to fundamental Christians, Democrats, Republicans, and everybody tells me we feel like something is about to happen. The other shoe is about to drop. Hang on. I gotta move another tank over here. Probably gonna end up doing 50 gallons of water. I agree. Something is about to happen. People who are much smarter than me have told me this. And while we all cannot put our finger quite on it, we can all have a good idea. Now, I can tell you my thoughts, but they delete the video, so we won't. There are things that are going on in this world, and you need to ask yourself, what exactly is happening? Why is this going on? What is the goal of this? If I want to pick up this stapler, why did Darren pick up this stapler? Was it to move it? Or was it because he wanted to use it? Or did he want to keep somebody else from using it? Or did he want to take it and sell it? See, there's so many things that are going on. You have to ask yourself, what exactly is happening? Be careful who you talk to. Be careful what you talk to them about, especially in public venues. I can set up this hydroponic system, fill it up with water, add my nutrients, put in my seeds, and the seeds that I add will grow into the fruit that I want. It's kind of like what some people are doing as well. Sowing the seeds of discontent is what some people would say that people are doing. But just be aware of what's going on. Now, I'm going to have to pause this because this tank is getting ready to get full. More to come. Now, one of the things like we were talking about, you ask yourself, what is going on? What is happening? Why is this going on? What is his purpose with the stapler? All right, well, okay. You've hung out with me long enough. These are some of the people I answer to. I answer to my wife upstairs. It's a pain in the butt. She puts up with me. My mama, who's at the house. And this lady right here. That's my grandmother. That's me. I was 4 or 5 years old. My grandmother was worried about me going to this daycare, so she got a job working there. Her name was Sarah. She's Cherokee. You can see high cheekbones, straight nose, flat forehead. Came from Georgia, I think. Those are the people who I answer to. So it's always something you want to figure out, find out. The people you're listening to, who do they answer to? More to come. Okay, guys, now we're back. Well, what can you do? All this crazy stuff that's going on that we have no idea. Of course, we have an idea. What do you do? Keep doing the same thing you always done. Keep setting aside, planning, preparing. That's all you can do. Do you have kids, grandkids? Set aside some hard candies, some Band-Aids with some action heroes. My grandsons love Batman Band-Aids, or, you know, SpongeBob. Set aside some of that stuff. You know they're going to grow up into a little bit bigger size, so if they're 5T, get 6T. Shirts, underwear, socks, shoes. Buy them at yard sales. Doesn't have to be name brand stuff. Laundry detergent. You know you're going to use it. Get it. I am almost to the point of telling all the people in my groups, you are better served if you had $500 in the bank account and that was it. If you took $300 of it and bought laundry detergent, plastic bags, Lysol, you know, that kind of stuff, you would be better served than having it into your account and depreciating out from inflation. It's my opinion. I am not an advisor. I don't even play one on TV, guys. And you know that. I'm just trying to tell you guys my thoughts, my feelings. There's some serious shit that is about to happen. And I have a lot of friends who say, oh, you're just spreading FUD. FUD, for the uninformed, is fear, uncertainty, and doubt. You're just spreading FUD and you're just trying to get views. You know, screw y'all. I'm just trying to help somebody. Set aside. Make good connections. Build contacts. It's the best thing you can do right now. Guys, I wish everybody lived down here by me, because we could really set up a network. But that ain't the way she goes. Take care of your people, wherever your people are.